So I was able to use AI to create this website. No code needed. I have no background in programming and software engineering and all those things related to that. But yet I was able to build this with just a few clicks using AI, and you can too, because with no experience needed, this AI I'm about to show you builds websites for you. But before I get into it, I want to let you know what it actually takes to build a website. The number one thing you need is your domain name, and this is preferably your company name or your brand name, and an extension. So it could be, for me it's jessicaokole.com. It could be .ai if your company is an AI company, or .store if it's an e-commerce company. Any extension basically, but your business name the domain extension you prefer, because obviously that will be how people will find your website. So think of your domain name as your channel name. As a YouTuber, I'm trying to link it so that you can get it. The second thing you need is a host. And a host is an online service that makes your website accessible on the internet. So think of a host like YouTube. Just like the way YouTube is holding your channel, a host would kind of hold your website on the internet, like keep it there and make it accessible. And a website builder basically creates the website for you. It edits the website basically. So you can think of a website builder like a video editor. You know, I'm trying to break this down to you as a content creator or as a business owner so that you can get what I'm trying to say, because most of us are not into software engineering, coding and programming. So I'm using content creation and YouTube as an example so that you can get what I'm trying to say. So now you need a domain name, a host and a website builder. And a good thing that Hostinger, which is the AI that I'm actually going to use to build this website, has all these three things. Some platforms don't. Sometimes you have to go buy your domain name somewhere else, host it somewhere else, and then use a different AI builder. Or you get your domain name and your host in one platform and then need a website builder to help you build a website. But now you don't need to do all that because it makes things complicated and hard to figure out. Hostinger helps you with this. You can get your domain name in Hostinger. You can host your website after building it in Hostinger. I have a tutorial on how to claim a free domain name if you get their yearly hosting plan. The link is in the description box, and the link to get this offer is also in the description box. Over here, I like it when you practice while you learn, so that you'll not be confused later on. So if you're not going to practice, save this video so that when you're ready, you'll be able to practice while you watch. Let's get started. So when you click on the link in the description box, as you can see, for as low as €2.49 per month, they'll give you 3 extra months for free. And in addition to that, these are the numerous things you're going to get. Click here to claim the deal, and then when you're done, you log in. So click on the website tab and it would lead you to this page. So next step is to type your brand name here. So my brand name is Jessie Holmes because this is my future real estate business. And then here I'm going to describe what the website will be all about. So this is a description of my website here. And yeah, so if you're unsure of how to describe your website properly, you can include all these things into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate an in-depth description of how this website is supposed to look like if you have no idea. So when you're done, you can click on create. Look, it has created a website for me and it has showed the listings. So this would be the homes that has been listed in the website. This is the location and details. This is the address of my company, and this is the real estate. It looks so professional. And look at the footer here, info. I don't even have this email yet, but it already assumed that this would be how the email would look like, which is true because it has to be a professional email. And then here they added forms for you. Oh, this shop has to be removed because it looks like we are shopping for a home. I mean, I can change the letter on it to something else if I want, but I think this looks good. Like I can change it to, let's say, houses, and then when they click on it, they can see the houses and the price for the houses. We're going to click on edit website. Here you can make changes to it. Here, let me click here. So if I want to edit any part of this place, I'll just click here, and here I'm going to delete this and rename it new. I'm going to rename it new and click on save. So if they want to see brand new houses that are not really on listings but just houses that have been built and are for sale, then yeah, they can click here. And then contact details, I think this is good enough. This is where they would put their name, their email and the message they have and submit their inquiries. I think this is good. And it homes, I think this is good as well. If I want to change the image of this place, I can do that. Ooh, for sale, for rents, new listings, luxury homes. This is just awesome. I don't even know if there's anything I would need to change here, but basically look at the website it has built. I didn't have to touch anything. It included Jesse Homes, exactly where I want it to be. I did absolutely nothing to this website. The only thing I would like to change is my number here. I can include my number. This would definitely be the email of the company, because this is how a professional email should look like. Then I can add the details of our social media here. So this is, I forgot to show you the checklist. So this is the checklist. If you want to start your website journey, you edit the heading text. I already did some of that. You can update the images to the houses. For now, I don't have any houses, so there's no need to update the images. You can edit the text, the social media icon like I just showed you, and check your site on a mobile. Now, this is how the site would look like on a mobile phone, and I think it's awesome. There is nothing wrong with it. It looks exactly how I want it to look like. And we're going to preview it now. Okay, I think there's some things I would probably change with this, because this exclusive discount should go. Let's go back to, so this exclusive discount here, I don't want it, so I'm just going to delete this section. Okay, let's see how it looks like now. Yep, this is how it should look like. And let me go to preview and see. Yeah, I like it like this. Here we have AI tools, AI page generator. If you want AI image generator, you can use all of these tools to generate things that you actually want to add to your website. But because this is just an idea, I don't really have anything to add to it yet. So now if you want to go live, click here, and you can also set up a payment provider to start accepting online payments. Just click here to do that. PayPal is the popular one, but you can connect all your payments, all your payments provider here. There's Stripe, there's PayPal, there's Paysera. This is where you manage your products. This is, you can decide to delete some if you, and edit the price here. So, oh my god. So this is where you edit the products. You put your description, you put the image of the product, the title, the subtitle, and the price over here. So I'm going to change the price to 10,000 and click on save. So I didn't put a comma here, but it doesn't matter. You can also decide not to add a storefront to your website and just create a simple website. So let's go back to the website now. So look how the price has already changed here. So yeah, this is basically how to just use AI to create your dream website. I didn't have to code or do any of this myself. Obviously, I might want to change some images here if I actually have a house for sale, or I might want to change the customer review here to real customer reviews. So the only thing you need to do is to change the information. So you just click on it, click on edit, and add the links to your website. That's all you need to do basically. Now I can help you do all this if you don't want to do it yourself because you're busy. The link to apply is in the description box. I don't have enough time slots because I also have personal things I'm doing in my own life. So you need to, so if you're interested in this service, grab your copy while you can. Hello, my name is Jessica Okole, and over here I teach about AI, tech, content creation, and how you can use it for your business. So if you're interested in this, make sure you click on the subscribe button and give me a like. Please share my videos. I need to thank you people, because at the back end of YouTube, I'm already seeing the work of sharing the videos. So I appreciate the people that share my videos. And if you're not one of them, please get into it. Guys, what do you think about my lighting? Because the LED light I reviewed the other time that was not really looking the way I like it to look, that's what is giving me this light now. And I'll show you what I did. So I just put my white blazer t-shirt on it, and it diffused the light everywhere, and I like what it's actually giving. I like it. I don't even feel the need to buy another light. I might, that's if I move to a bigger space, but what it is now, I like what it's giving. It's portable, it's bright, you can see me. I remain your one and only Jessica Okole. Bye.